Hey y'all, so today my mama is going to be cooking for us and I hope you enjoy. One of my mom's favorite meals to cook is hamburger steak, rice, and gravy. She also uses the boil in a bag rice. It's a lot easier. And we use the frozen patties because it's a lot easier and a lot quicker. We could, hand make our patties, but we didn't want to do that this time. For the seasoning, we use McCormick Caesar salt and pepper, and also some minced onion. Just put your bag of rice in the water and boil it. When cooking your hamburgers, it's self-explanatory. You just cook them like you would regular hamburgers, and then you will just add your gravy in once they're done. So here we're going to be making the gravy, and you'll use the grease from the hamburgers and flour, and you'll stir it in together until it gets brown, and then you'll add your water, and you may need to add more flour as you go, but you can tell. All right, y'all. So for the sides, we're going to have macaroni and collard greens. Listen, I would have had cornbread, but let me tell you, I ain't have no eggs, okay? And I wasn't going to go to the store or ask a neighbor for some eggs. So, yeah. And let me tell you guys, my mom teaches me something every day. This is an easier way to melt your cheese, okay? Never would have thought. I'm slow, okay? All right, so we got to the part where we're adding our meat to the gravy. My mom said, don't be picking on her little burnt little hamburgers, okay? You will never taste it in the gravy whatsoever. So don't come for us in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this new journey.